What's up, Bell Middle School? What's up, Bell Middle School? Alright. I just want to thank everybody for being here tonight. We're celebrating the Christmas time, and I gotta say, I gotta give mad love to Miss Magat. Give a round of applause for Miss Magat. Filipino language class. Mr. Seesaw right here. Give some love. Mr. Pete, where you at? Mr. Pete, right there. And everybody just coming out. I just want to touch upon something. You guys like dancing? You guys like hip-hop? Yeah. And I'll tell you this much. The reason why we put these activities together, why we do these events, is so that we can all be safe and productive. You can have fun just like this and be safe off the streets from those gangs, from those drugs and all that mess. So this is why we do what we do, so we can stay positive and we can stay alive, right? Right? Alright, so with no further ado, you guys ready for some more action? I gotta give mad love to all the people that performed today. Thank you, sir. There's so much great performers. Give it up for all the performers today. And also, give it up all the way from City Heights, Hoover High School, the UPAC mentorship program. We got Hoover High School B-Boys. Put them up, everybody. Yo, DJ. Why are you laughing? Put them up, put them up. Feel free to clap, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Turn it up. Let's move on.